Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can leave a team on Fisch. So for instance, you're on a team with somebody on the new Valentine's event on Fisch. You're just going to talk to his name is just Valentine's Day. Then you're going to select let's see what you've got. And then you're just going to select leave team here. You're going to select leave team, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for today's video. I hope it helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.